Hello and welcome again, my dear students. I am Saroj Mehta, your computer teacher, and we meet once again with a presentation on a guide to PA1 exam. What better way to find out where we stand after spending nearly 3 months and multiple hours of online learning than through an online assessment? We at Vasisht Vidyalaya are now taking the e-learning process to another level by taking such an online assessment. This presentation will help you through the process you need to follow for appearing for PA1 exam. Before starting the Adobe Scan guide, let me brief you about your upcoming exam, Periodic Assessment 1. The periodic assessment will be conducted into two parts, objective and subjective. Both the link will be provided on your Google Classroom. Make sure that you are the part of the classroom. The timetable of the exam will be provided to you well in advance. The paper shall be active only for a set duration of time during which you have to complete both objective as well as subjective part of the paper. The exam response will be closed thereafter and you shall not be able to submit your paper if missed. The purpose of this video is to guide how you shall upload or submit your subjective exam paper. Here we shall see what Adobe Scan is, how we shall be using Adobe Scan, and how we will be uploading the paper written online. Beginning with the first part of the presentation, we require that your submittive paper should be in form of PDF. The reason behind that, it is going to be print and then checked by the teacher manually for your assessment. So let's begin how to convert an image into PDF. So what is Adobe Scan? Well, it is an app that turns your phone into a scanner. It is available for both iOS as well as Android. Turn image to PDF in just a few simple steps. The installation process is quite easy. Well, all you need to do is start Google Play Store on your mobile device and then type Adobe Scan in the search box and select the first option as displayed here. Once open on the screen, click on the install button and then wait for the installation process to complete. Moving on the part 2, once installed, now it is time to use the app as per our requirement. To begin, start the newly installed app on your mobile phone by clicking on the icon on screen. Now click on Let's Go button as shown here. Click Allow when prompted. Make sure do not click on the Deny button. Choose the sign in option as Facebook, Apple or Google, or you can use your Gmail ID to sign on. No need to create a new ID. Once started, it is as easy as using a camera to take a photo. No rocket science involved in that, right? Point your camera towards the document on your choice. You can see here the blue dots will appear automatically to take clear shot of the document. Press the click photo button to take the photo of the document you wish to convert. Click on the continue button when confirmed. You can use crop tool to crop the picture per your requirement. This is the most important part of the scan. Make sure that you write everything on black pen as these paper will be printed for further checking. Also ensure that every page you scan should have your name, class, division and subject written on it. Then image once scanned will look like this. Click on the color option. This is very important option. Click on the color option and select the grayscale. Once converted, your image will look like this. Rename the picture scanned accordingly. You can give the name, class, roll number, name and subject as I have given here. Click on the Save as PDF to convert the file. Once done with saving the image as PDF, you need to copy the PDF onto your device as Adobe store all files into the cloud server. To do so, click on the file name to edit, then click on the more option, then click on copy to device to download the file into your device for later use also. Click allow when prompted by the application to give access to store. Do not click on deny button. Coming to the third part of the presentation, how to upload file on Google Form in Classroom. Now come to the step you need to follow to upload the scanned image for the exam. For this, you need to click on Google Classroom. You can see here. Then click on the classroom you study in. Click on the exam link provided in the classroom. Then select Chrome if prompted. When you click on the link given in the classroom, a Google form will appear on the browser. Then start filling the data as required in the form. Click on the Add File option to upload the PDF created in Adobe Scan. Click on the Select File from your device option to upload the file. Click on Allow button. Make sure do not click on Deny button. Once you click on the Select File option, click on the document to access device store. Click on the More option. Then click on the Adobe Scan option shown here. Ensure that every page you scan should have your name, class, roll number, subject written on it before uploading. Click on the file you scanned. Click on the Upload to add file into the form. You can see this is the Upload button. Once uploaded, the file will appear like this. To attempt the rest of the paper, follow the instruction as per the question. Click on Submit button when all the answers are given by you as per your understanding. Once you click on the Submit, your response will be recorded. So this brings us end of the slide. At the end, I would like to say that children, exam and test are for you to test your knowledge, and cheating should definitely not be an option. So we hope that you do not cheat during these papers and perform at the best optimum level. In the end, we wish you the very best of luck for your examination. Thank you, and I hope you prepared well. And most importantly, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.